May Ann Roga and I am the SSLG President here at Lantangan National High School. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to IAM Mika for giving us this solar panel energy. This gift is more than just a source of renewable energy. It represents the organization's commitment of empowering our school and promoting sustainability. It is a testament to the power of collaboration and social responsibility. Madamo-damo po na salamat sa IAM Mika sa bulig para sa amon eskwelahan.
Ako si Rhea Egoino Obra, Brigada Eskwela Coordinator ng Lantangan National High School. On behalf of the entire Lantangan National High School community, we express our deepest gratitude to Help Alliance and IAM Mika for their immeasurable support in bringing sustainable electrification to our school. Before this initiative, our school faced numerous challenges due to the lack of reliable electricity. Conducting lessons, especially those requiring technology, was difficult, limiting our students' access to modern educational resources. With the successful implementation of this electrification project, our school has been empowered with consistent and sustainable energy, opening doors to endless opportunities to both students and teachers. This initiative has not only illuminated our classrooms, but has ignited the hope and aspirations of our learners. Now, we can integrate technology into our curriculum, enhance research capabilities, and create a more conducive learning space. Furthermore, extracurricular activities and school programs can be conducted more efficiently, ensuring holistic student development. Beyond education, the impact of this project extends to the entire community. The availability of electricity fosters greater security within the school premises and encourages community members to engage in more educational initiatives. The support from Help Alliance and IAM Mika represents more than just infrastructure. It symbolizes a commitment to empowering future generations through quality education and sustainable development. We are beyond grateful for this partnership and for the unwavering dedication of Help Alliance and IAM Mika to making a difference in the lives of our students. With this electrification project, Lantangan National High School is now better equipped to nurture young minds, paving the way for a brighter and more promising future. Thank you for lighting up not only our school but also the dreams of every learner who walks through our walls. With heartfelt appreciation, Lantangan National High School community.
I am Mr. Charles Villario, School Head of Lantangan National High School. Ako po personally ay nagpapasalamat sa IAM Mika dahil sa kanilang i-donate sa amin na solar panel. Nagkaroon ng electricity ang aming eskwelahan at ngayon ay malaking tulong sa mga mag-aaral, lalo na sa mga guro, na sila ay nagkaroon ng masigasig na pagtuturo gamit yung mga gamitan ng paaralan tulad ng computer, TV at iba pa na mga kagamitan na nagkaroon ng maayos na pag-aaral ang aming mga mag-aaral. At sa ngayon, unti-unti na kami nakakasabay sa mga malaking school na mayroon ding mga pasilidad. So malaking bagay ang binigay sa amin ng IAM Mika sa tulong din siyempre ng kanilang direktor na si Sir Bobit Alip. Thank you very much sir dahil ikaw po ang nagiging instrumento sa Lantangan National High School na magkaroon kami ng elektrisidad sa pamamagitan ng solar system. So sa lahat ng mga kawani ng IAM Mika, maraming salamat po at kami po ay nangangako na ang inyong binigay sa amin na donasyon ay aming pong pangalagaan at manatilihing maayos at magagamit ito hindi lang sa ngayon at sa sunod pang mga henerasyon estudyante ng Lantangan National High School. So kami pong lahat dito sa Lantangan National High School ay taos puso nagpapasalamat. God bless us all.
Thank you so